Hello guys, and welcome to another David Zamalera. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of RØDE NT1-A microphone. It is a phantom powered microphone that is used by voiceover artists, and it's used also by musicians and guitarists and stuff like that. It's supposed to be the quietest microphone out there. This is the reason that I got it. It is not cheap. It's about $300. Maybe you could get it cheaper now, but it's got a lot of accessories that come with it. It comes with a pop filter, with a high quality shock mount, free quality XLR cable, and a 10-year warranty. And let's see, watch and download studio secrets free. So that's actually a plus. Do it today. Look, it's still boxed up. I still got, you know, the sticky stuff on there. So I'm gonna get my knife in there and open it up. I just don't have the time for it because this system is a little bit more complicated. I use more mobile friendly type of microphone systems like I'm using right now. So I'm actually using this as a thing that's plugged into my iPhone. Actually, I could use this with a DSLR or whatever camera, and I got a receiver right here, and actually have another receiver. There's two of them. There's another one. That's if I have somebody else in the studio or something and they want to talk to me. It does come with a lapel type of option. There's actually two microphones, but I'm actually currently plugged in with this microphone. Now, what's interesting is, where is it? It comes with a phantom power cable, and this is kind of like mind-boggling. Can I use the NT1 RØDE NT1A NT1A with it? So that is kind of interesting. So let's open it up, and we're going to take a look. So we have instructions, manual, specifications, and you need to register for your 10-year warranty. So that is that. Now it does come with a smaller box. Here's the cable. Here's the microphone. A nice RØDE bag, and that, you know, that kind of puts a smile on my face. I really like it. I like it. I know some people, they might be not a fan of brands, but look, it's got like nice gold strings. I like it. It comes with a nice protective bag. It also comes with a styrofoam piece. It's if you want to put everything back in the box. Where it came from, then it means it's gonna fit, including like all the wiring. Yep, like that. You see. We're just gonna pull this out. Of course, this is a large diaphragm microphone, and I could already see it's got the pins sticking out. Same thing over here. You see, I mean, it's normal. It's normal to see these microphones to be designed like that. I hope I have the right cable to make it work with that. Most likely I won't, because it's probably not even meant to work with that. Look, I have a lovely sticker. I love RØDE. Okay, so that's going on my Benz. Alright. This microphone is actually really nice. I don't like this gold thing on there. I don't know why that's there, but it looks cool. This silver edition, obviously it's a special one. It's their anniversary edition. I don't know how many years anniversary, but it's an anniversary edition, and I got it, and normally they come in black. So let's see what's inside of this box. I believe this is our shock mount and accessories. I'm kind of glad that I'm finally getting around to unboxing this. Looks like it's got the pop filter in there as well, and it does say RØDE on both sides, because in the picture, let me show you the picture. In the picture, it does not have RØDE. Now, for some of you guys, you don't want the RØDE to be on there, because if you're like doing stuff that's like branding, and maybe you don't want to show a brand. To me, I'm okay with showing somebody else's brand on there. Like, it doesn't bother me a bit. Um, I mean, I actually like that, you know, but I like the fact that there is RØDE branding on it. That's just me. I really like it. So, I mean, it seems like, that's it. Like, I put it down like this, and I just do that. But and we have the pop filter from the bottom, and we have but that means you would need a stick over here, and I don't have this stick for the wire. I mean, that's well, I mean, I kind of have that. It looks like a little bit bigger than a 1/4 inch screw. I could make something work. I think I can. I have like the special tripod that I could probably end up using for this. It's got like two different sizes. Um, but at this point, we're just gonna basically mount the microphone right here. And that's it. But you know what? Um, I actually think that there's more than one way of doing it. Like the way I see it, because this is the way they have it on the picture. Like, you got basically the girl sitting right there. It just looks the other way, I guess, like that. Or I'm confused. Yeah, I mean, that's how it is. So if I use it like that, then I cannot plug a cable in. So I think I could flip things. Around. So let's see if I could have this thing just sitting on my desk, for instance, the other way. Let's see if I could plug it in this way. Just for the heck of it. Okay, and then we're gonna have the pop filter go like that. Okay. So I guess I could do it like that, and then I could have the wire going in and out, so I could just already have that as a stand. Because I mean, the way I see it is, I don't see anybody else having this thing sticking out, you know, like way out, because you know, you have this piece. I mean, normally, like, look how low that is already, like, from the table. So if you have anything, that means you will need to have that thing reaching out from somewhere on the other side. Um, but I could even mount this thing a little bit differently if I wanted to, like, swap it around to make it look a little bit more right. But it doesn't bother me, like, right now a bit. But I think I could mount it. Let's see. So it's mounted like this. I could mount it like that. And now it's going to be a little bit more of a natural type of look. Guys, I always like to find solutions to the problems, if it is a problem. So at this point, the problem being is, I really don't want to have this thing mounted on anything else, you know, except I want it to stand like on a table. That's all I want. So maybe in an instruction thing, you could set it up like that. Otherwise, they would not have the ability to set it up like this. So why is this thing not tight enough? That is weird. For some reason, this is not tightening up the tight, and maybe because I'll need to tighten it from the different type of side, because once I actually removed it, perhaps that changed things a little bit. Okay. Okay, now this makes a little bit more sense. You need to tighten it on the silver side, um, at the bottom. Okay, now it's tight. This top portion, regardless where you got the mic, I mean, if you're gonna have it right over there from the bottom facing in, I mean, most likely you're gonna have a little bit more room to work with. But mainly this is made, you know, it's a shock absorbing type of thing, you know, with like rubber bands and stuff. So it's just gonna be kind of like sitting like that, and then this extends. This portion of it extends, and you could have that facing in. Tighten it up, tighten this up. So I could see myself, you know, talking on it like this, you know, like that at least. But with these microphones, you're gonna need to have a really nicely insulated room. Anyways, I know this kind of looks like a crazy setup because it should be set up at the bottom, but if you want it to stand on your table, then it's gonna be good. Because any other way, you're gonna need to have like this really heavy-duty type of pole connector, you know, and make sure it's gonna be weighted so that it doesn't tip over. So let's take a look at this RØDE connector. So looks like it's male and female on both ends. I would like to find one that's a female connector, because I would like to actually have this work with my wireless type of setup, to be working through that. Obviously I don't have anything in here to make that work, so that is all for now. But I'm not gonna leave you hating. If you are picking up RØDE and you're trying to find out a good way to connect it, this is the cheapest alternative that you could do. This is just for one microphone. I mean, a little bit more. This is $100, but I think maybe like $150 or maybe like $200. You could have like for two people. This is basically gives you phantom power and ability to plug in, you know, like your computer, and basically converts analog signal to digital. So this is definitely going to be helpful. And then obviously you're gonna need some studio headphones. This is what everybody uses. I did my research, and this is ATH-M, well, ATH-M40X. Maybe there was already an update since December, but last time I checked, this is what people use. It's a studio microphones. They're still closed. I've never opened them, but let me see what to expect. So here they are right here. Let's see what to really expect. I just pull them out. It does come with like two different cables. I don't know why, but they do have two different cables. Like one of them is coiled and one of them is uncoiled, which is kind of nice, because if you mess one of them up, then you're gonna be good to go. Okay, now I need to figure out what just happened here. Okay. Wow, these things are like so versatile. You could really have these things flip around and stuff. So they have like nice metal things over here. This feels nice. The earmuffs feel very soft. So is there a right and a wrong way of putting them on? Apparently not. They look the same to me. Oh, that's the right one. Okay. It's pretty good. I'm not gonna say it's as soft as a Bose, but this does have like soft, cushiony type of things. So it's pretty good. It's definitely, I see why people are using these things. But if you're gonna be wearing them for a long time, I don't know how they're gonna feel like. Obviously, I haven't used them yet, but they cost $100 as well, guys. So when you're trying to get into making your own like recorded studio type of stuff, nowadays it's more affordable. It used to be a lot more expensive, but you're still gonna end up spending at least $500. Everything you see here, like the microphone is like 300, this little converter thing 100, and 100 for the headphones. So you're pretty much looking at a $500 setup, and that is that. So we're just gonna, what is this? Comes with the bag. What do you know? That's awesome. They really kind of hidden it away over there. So at this point, I don't have this set up yet. I will be setting this up soon. So that means I'll be able to actually do some voice recording. But, you know, most likely I'm going to have to do it with a computer. And it's not an issue at all. I have a good computer handy. So I could just probably use this as well for voiceover. So maybe I'll try them in here. But there's also this other thing. I'm not going to like really unbox it right now, but possibly if you're looking into this, you're probably like a musician and stuff like that, and you're probably wondering, is there a way to actually hook up your guitar, like your electric guitar, to your GarageBand and like your iPhone or something? This is an iPhone on it, and this thing is called iRegit 2. I got this thing as a surprise gift from one of my sons, Kevin. He's really getting into music. He's looking to getting like a guitar. He just wants an acoustic guitar, but he's been really messing with GarageBand, guys. Seriously. So this little device is supposed to be like iRegit, and you plug one end into an iPhone, another end into your amp, and then you have a headphone mounts. Headphones seems like a regular type of a 3.5 millimeter jack, and then you put your guitar or bass guitar, I guess. So that's kind of cool, and you could hook it up to your iPhone. So that is that. I think it's like 40 bucks or 50, I can't remember. I got this thing kind of like a while back, I think also in December. But anyways, guys, this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and God bless you. Bye-bye.
My name is Serge Zamaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have sprint or expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.